Hey, what's up? My name is Michael, and on this channel, we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Today, I'm bringing to you this nails making machine. Did you know that the machine for making nails can make you a lot of money? If you buy this machine, its prices range from 7 million to 15 million Uganda shillings, depending on the capacity of nails that it produces. If you buy this machine, you only need electricity and the wires. It makes all the work complete for you. You just get the nails, put on the weighing scale, and start selling. Of course, these machines can be shipped from abroad, and also they are available locally. If you want to start nails making, nails manufacturing, it sounds nice. You can easily buy this machine and install it at your place. Start making nails and start selling these nails. Of course, this looks to be a so much profitable business because nails, they never rot and they are always on demand. If you try and start manufacturing nails locally, you can enter the market and capture the whole entire market. These machines comes in different sizes and different colors, and of course they are different manufacturers. But of course, I can help you source one of them. They range from 7 million to 15 million depending on the capacity of nails you want to make every day. Start making nails. This can be a side hustle because you can even run this machine at night. It operates itself. It's you to just remove nails and put them aside. So even you can run this machine at night when you are sleeping. Buy this nails machine. It could be one of the most profitable ideas that I have shared this week. Thank you so much for watching, and watch more of my videos. I'm going to share more tips of how to start small-scale businesses and side hustle. Stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, and share to any other friend. Thank you so much and have a nice time. Bye-bye.